Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm editor-at-large for Boating Magazine, and today you're visiting me at my dock. Today, I'd like to talk to you about boat covers and how you choose. Now, that's a big decision, especially when boat covers can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. What I have here right now is a Helm cover, but when I'm leaving the boat for a long period of time, I like a full cover like this one. Now, a cover like this one is particularly important to me if I know I'm going to be using the boat the next day. I want to protect it during the night, but I want to be able to get into it quickly, and I don't want to wear myself out. This installs with a minimum of sweat equity. The leaning post cover slips on kind of like a nightshirt. There's a drawstring in the back to tighten it down. Now, the Helm cover is a little bit trickier because we have the hard top above and the structure that holds it up. That means all the zippers have to be aligned to make it fit perfectly, and you need to follow a few little tricks so that it's easy to put on. First, there's reference points on the cover. This one's got the front center tag, and it's got the rear center tag around the hem at the bottom. For added reference points, I took a green zip tie and marked the zipper on the starboard side. I also took a red zip tie and marked the left zipper or the port side. That aligns with your lights. Starboard is green, port is red. Then it's easy to get the cover to lay in place, get all the zippers aligned, and zip them up. If there's any drawback to this, it's that it needs to be custom fitted to work well. Zippers have to be placed just so, and seams have to be cut and sewn to fit the contours of the cover. However, because these were made in cooperation with the manufacturer, in this case Ranger Boats, they not only had the combined experience to get the fit right, they designed in special features like this access panel for the battery switch and the opening for the washdown shower so you can empty the tank during storage. Because of the special arrangement of these zippers, I can access the Helm without entirely uncovering it. Because these covers were made in cooperation between TaylorMade and Ranger Boats, the contours and the zippers align perfectly. Both companies have the experience to do that perfectly. Now, if you contacted your boat dealer and they don't have a custom cover for your boat, TaylorMade very well might at their website, ameritexdirect.com.